So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. So on the left hand side, you want to click on this PC. Once this comes up, you want to find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. You could either search for it, but I'm going to show you the common place where it will be. So for me, it's on my C drive, which is my Windows drive. I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to open up Program Files x86. And I've got Easy Anti-Cheat right here. I'm going to double click on it. So you want to find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. If you couldn't find it, then just search for it. Now once we're here, for the first method, you want to delete easyanticheat.sys. If you can't see the file name extensions like .exe, .sys, then you want to click on View and then click on Show. Make sure you have file name extensions ticked. You should now be seeing .exe, .sys. You want to delete the .sys application. Once that's been deleted, launch your game again, and then the file that you just deleted will be recreated again automatically, and then hopefully this will fix your problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to find easyanticheat.exe, double click on it, and then this will come up. You want to repair the game that you're having a problem with. So repair the game, and then hopefully this will fix your problem.